All right. 30 seconds. Go.
Who's it?
I am. You have 30 seconds to hide. Starting now.
Go!
Today, we're playing a good game of tag. We got that guy right over there on the quad. Got another guy on a bike, and we're gonna be ripping. No, we're not playing tag, we're playing cops and robbers. They're basically the same thing though. And yeah, hope you all enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's go find them little stupids. Big for your mama. Yeah, get it.
Where is he at? I'd make a move. Yeah. Oh, we're allowed to. See you later, my boy. See you later, Stinky. Whee!
There he is. Oh, the red one's following me. Now I'll do a switchback on him. I'm gonna have this guy here. Coming for you, dog. Oh god, he almost wiped out. Okay. Hold on. You saw me go this way?
Let's get it. Oh! Why are you jumping? Why are you jumping?
God. Yeah, I'm going after this guy. After Joel. Got me a puppy! Oh yeah! Okay, that was weird. That was weird. Let's go. He's gonna go down. Oh gosh. He's whipping it. That thing's nimble.
Oh, balls!
Alright, good. Oh, you almost made it! You almost made it! Hola! Hola! Who can find? Ah! I got you! Get up!
We're cruising, man. I'm talking about no. Hey, why you jumping?
Where you go? Oh! Live action here! Almost died! This way! This way! This way! Oh god! Alright, let's get it. Oh gosh, where's he going? He's doing what? We're doing lap. Go that way, that way, that way. Alright, we're gonna go this way. Get the farm! Yeah!
Oh, wait, which way am I going? Shit.
Bro, shoot the crap out of me!
I don't want to hit the trailer.
Alright, let's get. Oh! I almost died.
Balls! Balls!
Dang, got him. Oh! He got you. Alright. So now you're tagged last, so you're gonna be first cop.
Alright.
Give us 30 seconds. Just sit there on this road, okay?
Sit where?
Just sit right there for 30 seconds.
Alright.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, Domo! Alright, he's gonna count us off.
Can you guys count to 30 with me? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
That's a great song by Elton John, baby. Let's go over
14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, let's get it. And no one's coming.
Oh gosh. Oh Lord. Big old hill time.
Come here, no.
I gotta switch it up a little.
Where's the doll?
I bet he's gonna go for Dolpho first. Bad. So I put my money on it, honestly.
Yo puedo canino. Where did he go?
I'm just gonna follow him. Oh, I gotta go.
Give me your boy! Yeah!
I gotta go.
Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! I watch, I'm gonna prank him. I ain't moving, bitch! Yeah!
Where you gotta go?
Massive hill climb. Yeah. Alright, screw calling, he's gonna be too hard. Let's go find a doll.
Oh, he saw me. Maybe? No, I don't think he saw me.
Oh, I'm slipping. There he is. Get him. No one's coming. Gun it. Oh, my hand kind of hurts. My legs are cramping. I don't feel saucy. What the hell?
Oh, that. Let's take a second to look over here at this wonderful engineering. Holy. Whoa. Alright. Hopefully you guys are doing good down there. Not aim for the sky too much. Yeah, you're doing good. You can probably just aim down even a little. How about that?
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Oh, hello, mate. Monster down. I just buzzed the tower like he did in freaking Top Gun. Pushing the buzz tower. Pressure not graded. Oh well. Yeah.
Dolpho. Oh, stretch out my legs.
Sound like a true survivor. I don't think you noticed.
Oh, damn, he pranked me. I was trying to prank him. He pranked me. Let's get it.
Okay. Welcome.
Oh, fuck. Oh, cleared it.
Oh my God. World Cup. World Cup. World Cup. World Cup.
Oh, come here, dog. You stupid dog. Dude, I suck at this game so effing bad. I know fucking brake zone. Brakes are feeling saucy. Yeah.
I steer the World Cup right now for all United States of America. Frickin' got that tie against England.
Oh! Slow her down. I'm gonna lurk behind the trailer. I'm gonna lurk.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit. I got
Fuck, she is. Superior. Woo! Woo! Gotcha.
All right, let's go get Adolfo now. Do you know where he went?
No. There he is. Down.
World Cup. Soy guapo.
I am better. I am shit.
¿Cómo te llamas? Me gusta motocicletas.
Well, I can't say naughty words like that. Did he just happen to flip me off? Are you serious right now? That car's alright. There is a car coming. I'll slow down. Be nice. Psych me out live. Let's get it.
Cup Mundial. Why am I switching to Spanish all of a sudden? Oh, you went down to the old casa. I'm switching to Spanglish. You went down to su casa.
Swerve between the trees. Come right up here.
We good. Oh, dang it!
Why are you jumping? Oh. I don't want to make that turn.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Whoa!
No, dude, I do not want to have a freaking that on that grass, but let's get it. It's a sick drift. Meet one.
Oh, we're gonna get him. We're gonna get this giant. Holy crap! This is oh!
Oh!
He's behind us. Make him pull, big. Got him! No! Let's go!
Bozo!
Okay. Now it's Adolfo's turn to count. Alright?
After this, we split.
After
my round.
okay, yeah, you go down. Follow me.
Alright.
Where do you want to get your own spot?
I don't care, I'll follow you. Let's get it, y'all. We finna be. Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Where in the balls are you going? What the hell?
He's probably gonna see you.
Yeah, I'll put her in reverse.
Hope you get out of here. Oh god. Come on, you sound good. It's in neutral. I know it's in reverse. You got to go. Go. Come on. There we go. We're out. Ready? Let go of the bars for a second.
Oh yeah, we're mid.
Alright. Alright. Good luck, soldier. Good luck, soldier.
See ya. Bam. Bars a little bit too. Oh shoot. What up, Adolf?
Okay. Now it's hot down here. Oh my God! You can't get me now. Oh God! I wish you'd run that fast, Dolpho.
You gonna come down here across the creek, make him juke him out. Balls. For nipple hair, ball sack hair. Make a left, come in here. I'm gonna sit. Hold on. Oh shoot. Center a couple over these freaking logs. Watch this. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna whip it back down through. Hiding for women. Massive hill climb. See if we can get air with no speed. Woo. Okay. Alright. Let's go on a mission here. He stole my key. That sucks, you know. Kind of unfair. He stole my key. But, like Elton John says in his song, I'm still my mind. Yeah. So effing bad. California girl, unforgettable, being a adult. See you later, Steve. Well, where am I going? Over there. Please don't come. Hey, why you jumping? Still going. Oh! Alright. Yeah. Give me a song. Me, I deaf, I don't hear her. Just like come we playing. Yeah. Hang around downtown by myself. Like there she was. Like disco and I smell sexy. Shoot. He's coming right towards me. Yeah. Who's that girl? The Nazis are after me. Colin's still not getting hit. Oh, let me see if I can go help him out.
Help!
Papa, get out!
Give me my key.
Dude, my legs hurt.
Oh! Oh! Yeah, go! Go!
Nah.
Go!
What?
Get my bike to me. Get my bike together.
No.
Kevin, get my bike behind you. Go! I can't turn. Go! Oh God! Ow! We're good. Oh my gosh!
See y'all. What the balls? Dude, going from a quad to a dirt bike.
That's what happens when you have a robber turn cop. He helped his boy out. He ain't do nothing. My boy ain't do nothing.
It's freaking weird. Like these bars feel bad now.
Yeah! Oh, I got this unit.
Oh, I forgot Colin was on that other team.
Got the old 90 red for now.
Uh-oh. Hey. Ah! Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Hey. Whoop. Ah.
I crashed again. That was the game. Holy crap. My plan did not work.